Hello learners, we have already had 2 lessons on how to do acrylic pouring art. But sometimes when you do that for the first time or first a couple times and you realize you can't really do the pattern perfectly. Like for example like this one. I really didn't like how the color turned out to be, but I don't want to waste this canvas. So I have actually 2 ways to help you to fix this. So first way is just redo this. You can literally reuse this surface and just redo a pouring with the color you like and hoping that it will turn out better. And today I'm going to show you the second way, which is using a stencil and putting another pattern on top of your painting so it looks a lot better than just it itself. So I have an example already. I finished this, so I'm going to show you how to get this done. Let's keep watching. On the left side is the acrylic painting I did last time. I'm not quite satisfied with it, so I'm thinking about doing something to save it. So I'm thinking about putting a letter over it to make it look a little better. So I just drew a letter K on a piece of paper. I am going to make that into a stencil. I just cut the middle part of the letter K off. So now I'm going to use this outer side as my stencil. First of all, you need to prepare some colors. You can choose the colors that you like. Then dip the sponge in the different colors that you chose. And then use the dabbing motion to fill in the stencils. Make sure that you use one hand to hold the stencil in place so it doesn't move around easily. When you're done with filling, let's take the stencil off and reveal your picture. Okay, now I have a painting with my initial on there. It looks a little better than before. I wouldn't say a lot better, but I'm more satisfied with this compared to what I had. Okay, since I still have some paint left, so I am going to change this acrylic pouring painting into a different picture by adding a seahorse on there. Just drawn seahorse on my paper, I am going to cut it out in order to make a stencil. I just finished cutting, so now I am going to fill it in with colors. I just finished one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I think it looks pretty good, right? So I am going to flip this paper. I'm thinking about putting another one on here and see how it looks. I'm going to start. Okay, let's see this side now. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I like it a lot. So I hope that you get to try this out. Even if you don't have acrylic pouring art as the background, you can always just make your own background. Or just try to cut some stencils and try this kind of technique. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.